The third place to the left of the decimal point is the hundreds place. The first group of 3 places to the left of the decimal point is called the hundreds group. Numbers in this group are read as blank, hundred, blank. For example, 254 is read as 254. This number has 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 4 ones. 396 is read as 396. It has 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and 6 ones. 115 is read as 115. It has 100, 110, and 5 ones. The fourth place to the left of the decimal point is the thousands place. The second group of 3 places to the left of the decimal point is called the thousandths group. Numbers in this group are read as blank hundred, blank thousand. For example, 473000 is read as 473,000. It has 400 thousandths, 7 ten thousandths, and 3 thousandths. 275000 is read as 275,000. It has 200 thousandths, 7 ten thousandths, and 5 thousandths. 944000 is read as 944,000. This number has 900 thousandths, 4 ten thousandths, and 4 thousandths. The seventh place to the left of the decimal point is the millions place. The third group of 3 places to the left of the decimal point is called the millions group. Numbers in this group are read as blank hundred, blank million. For example, 305,000,000 is read as 305 million. It has 300 millions, no 10 millions, and 5 millions. 777,000,000 is read as 777 million. This number has 700 millions, 7 ten millions, and 7 millions. 593,000,000 is read as 593 million. It has 500 millions, 9 ten millions, and 3 millions. The 10th place to the left of the decimal point is the billions place. The fourth group of 3 places to the left of the decimal point is called the billions group. Numbers in this group are read as blank hundred, blank billions. For example, 673,000,000,000 is read as 673 billion. This number has 600 billions, 7 ten billions, and 3 billions. 248,000,000,000 is read as 248 billion. It has 200 billions, 4 ten billions, and 8 billions. 187,000,000,000 is read as 187 billion. It has 100 billions, 8 ten billions, and 7 billions. Commas are used to separate numbers into groups of 3. Place a comma where the word billion, million, and thousand appear. For example, 22,351 would have a comma between the 2 in the thousands place and the 3 in the hundreds place. 517,426,907 would have the first comma between the 7 in the millions place and the 4 in the hundred thousandths place, and the second comma between the 6 in the thousands place and the 9 in the hundreds place. When you write numbers, remember that they are always grouped in threes. Also remember that a comma is placed after the billions, millions, and thousands places. For example, 456 is written simply as 456. But 732,456 is written as 732,000, 456. Three 309,385,246 is written as 309,000,000, 385,000, 246. 793,583,295,513 is written as 793 billion, 583 million, 295,000, 513. Sometimes we can round off numbers in order to make it easier to remember them. The way a number is rounded is determined by the digit in the final place. If the digit in the final place is less than 5, replace it with 0, the placeholder. If the digit in the final place is 5 or more, replace it with a 0, the placeholder, and increase the digit to its left by 1. The degree of accuracy in a number is determined by how much we round it. For example, 5,383 is rounded off to the nearest 10 to become 5,380. It is rounded off to the nearest 100 to become 5,400. It is rounded off to the nearest 1,000 to become 5,000. $6,725,383 is rounded off to the nearest 10 to become 6,725,380. It is rounded off to the nearest 100 to become 6,725,400. It is rounded off to the nearest 1,000 to become 6,725,000. It is rounded off to the nearest 10,000 to become 6,730,000. It is rounded off to the nearest 100,000 to become 6,700,000. And it is rounded off to the nearest million to become 7 million.